What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kylie and I'm back with another video. And as y'all can see by the title and the setup, we will be doing another wig install. Today's video will be sponsored by Allie Grace Hair. They sent me a bonnet with the little string. I will be wearing this tonight. And then they sent me this lace band. So yeah, we finna get into it. Y'all ignore my eye. I just got my lashes did today and they irritated. Well, the left one. My left one always irritated for some reason, but yeah. So I did bleach the hair, bleach the knots, and I did pluck it. I feel like I did real good this time. I'm very excited for this install. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking this down. Y'all, what's crazy is my eye was not even red this whole day for real. It's just not like really getting red. And it looks bad. I'm finna detangle this hair real quick, push my edges back, and get ready for this bald cap. All right, so I did the braids. My eye really throwing me off, like, it looks terrible. But we finna split these edges back. And I just want y'all to know, if you watching this right now, just know you beautiful. No matter what nobody tell you, don't let nobody tell you shit about you. Like, don't let nobody talk about your body type. Don't let nobody talk about your skin, your forehead, your teeth, anything, your hair. Don't let no nigga or no bitch tell you shit about yourself. Like, know yourself, know your worth, know what you got going. Like, nobody better than the next person. Like, it really don't matter. Because at the end of the day, a nigga can have the finest bitch. A nigga can have Beyonce, Rihanna, and still not do right by their ass. You can't be worried about what somebody got to say about you. Because at the end of the day, if somebody got the time to bash you and talk about you, half the time they not happy with themselves. So y'all just gotta ignore that shit, because everybody get talked about. You feel me? Like, either way it go, you could have a little ass booty, get a BBL, they gonna talk about you for having a BBL. You don't have a BBL, they gonna talk about you for being skinny. Whatever you do, just make sure you do that shit for yourself, not for nobody else. I just had to put that out there because I feel like somebody needs to hear that. So now it's time to add the wig cap. Now I'm gonna be doing a layer of the ebony, but I'm gonna be putting it on my finger. All right, y'all, I'm back. It's been a little minute, so it should be ready to cut. Yes, it's ready. And you just want to really make sure that your cap dries all the way and that you do the 2 layers, because if not, your cap gonna be sliding back and your hair gonna be coming through. So yeah. Once you get done with your wig cap, you're gonna add some makeup. And you just wanna do the makeup so that it blends in. And for the part, I'm gonna do it like real light, because the lace is gonna be on top, so you really want that to be good. So now we're gonna clean up with some alcohol. Make sure you do not touch the cap. I'm gonna cut some of this lace because it's in the way. All right, y'all, so it's getting late and I need to just hurry up and get to it. But I'm finna place a mark where I'm gonna be placing the hair. Boom. Just so I can know where to place it. This is the comb that I be using to place the glue. So we just gonna go around right where we placed those dots. Now we finna go ahead and place it. It's the most important part. So y'all pray for me. And just really push it in there. All right, boom, now that it's placed, I'm gonna tie it down with an elastic band. All right, so we're gonna let this melt. I'm gonna blow dry it real good for probably like 5-10 minutes, and I'll be back. I'm gonna take this lace band off. So you just gonna cut in a zigzag motion. All right, so now that this is cut, I'm gonna be spraying it around with some spritz, and we're gonna tie it back down. Okay, we're gonna take this off. Y'all, I'm getting tired. And my eye is so irritated. We're gonna get started on these edges. I'm really just sick of this install and I'm ready to be done. That's just gonna be it on this side because I'm tired of dealing with it. And I'm ready to just be done with this shit.
Say something, tells me love, yeah.
Alright, y'all, so this is best as it's gonna get, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it down. My back hurt, I'm irritated, and this making me not want to do a wig ever again, for real. I'm gonna let that sit, and I'm gonna go sit down real quick. Right, y'all, so I am finished doing my hair. Now these edges, don't talk about these, but we just gonna act like this a 5x5 closure, cause yeah. But yeah, you definitely had to trust the process with this, because I was really over it. Like, this was one of the hardest installs I ever did, but it actually turned out really good, like really good. I just need to redo these. I'll probably try it in the morning, but yeah, I feel like the main reason why I wasn't feeling it is because of my eye. Because once my eye had started turning red, I just started feeling ugly anyway. So my eye was just throwing it off. But if you look from like this way, yeah. But as y'all see, it's definitely giving scalp. I do need to add a little bit of something right here. Well, that's where that little makeup was, but yeah. So here go the hair. It's definitely long, definitely giving body, definitely giving volume, edges giving. I did this edge, like everything I always do better on my left side. Like this edge is giving, this one straight. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all better enjoy this video. It is 1 o'clock in the morning. Every time I do my hair, it be like 1 o'clock in the morning. But hair salon, who? Paying the hairstylist $200, who? Nah, baby. But hopefully when I wake up, my eye be straight and I can start to feel myself a little better, because right now I'm not really feeling myself. I feel crazy, like my eye, it's not giving. So hopefully it clear up in the morning time. But yeah, that will be the final install. Y'all comment down below, let me know how I did. I feel like I did good, even though this was a struggle. I broke my phone in the process. I broke my ring light. Just everything that could have went wrong, but we finally made it. And yeah, make sure if you want this hair, click the link in the description box down below, and all the information for this hair will be there. I will catch y'all in the next video. I drive anything, buy my rings, make 'em go